Friends, well, this is me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we are back with another video.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
Today, I am going to teach you how to use the scroll animation effect of text in OBS, such as like moving text. Subscribe to my YouTube channel on below your video or up or whatever part of your video in OBS. Alright, so I'm going to teach you that one, but please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You may request for any video tutorial on the comment section below. Scrolling text using OBS. Alright, so we are now in OBS, my dear friends, and that's just simply our tutorial for today. How to use the scroll animation filter for text here in OBS. Alright, so the first thing that we will insert here, of course, is a scene for our blank. I've already inserted scene 3, which is this one, blank scene. The next, let's proceed to sources, and then we can see here the text. Let's insert text. Alright, okay, and then let's type in here the words or the letters that you want to scroll. Alright, for example, subscribe to Teacher Kevin PH, for more computer tutorials, tech tips, and techniques. There you go. Alright, so assuming that this is the sentence or the words that I want to scroll, I want to animate. Okay, after typing the text, of course, we may also select the font style that we want to use. Select font. Then in here, you may choose your desired font style. Alright, select font, and I'm going to use Algerian, Arial Black. Okay, there you go. So this is the text that I want to scroll. Alright, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, next, proceed on the sources, then right click on the text that you've inserted, proceed to filters, and let's just then scroll this one down. There you go, and we can see here the plus button, and let's choose scroll. Alright, scroll, then hit OK. Then in here we may adjust the horizontal speed and virtual speed. Okay, for example, there you go, it's too fast. There you go. Just want to make it that way. It depends on you already then. If it's your turn to make your own. Alright, so I'm going to choose that horizontal speed. Okay, then there you go. It's already moving. Alright, so that's just simply how it is, my dear friends, to make or to use the scroll filter for text in OBS. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something, and see you next time.